Hello.
Okay, you have to write out your question.
Which is
876
No, you don't want to add a video, you're making
divided by 25.
So then you do your bus stop. And you write 25 outside the bus stop and 8,765 inside. First you do your 25 timetables. 25,
25,
50,
75, 125. No. Okay, so we have to see how many 25s go into 87.
No, 8 first, which you can't do.
You can't do.
Now you do 0. Then you put 87 together, and you see how many 25s will go into 7, which is 75. So it will go in between 75 and 100. And that is 3.
1, 3.
So then you'll do 75. 87, take away 75. Which is 2.
And then 8 take away 7 obviously is 1.
So then we'll drop our 6. So then now it's 126. So we do 25 divided by 26.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Which is 5 times.
126 will go there.
5 times, which is 125. So then you'll take away 6 take away 5, which is 1. 2 take away 2, which is 0. 1 take away 1, which is 0.
So then you have a remainder. You have to put a 0 here.
And a dot up here. So then we'll drop our 0.
We did. But
Then
there's no way to do it, so you have to make another 0 and drop it down. So that will be
25. So then go in.
What is 25 into... If 25 doesn't go into 10, what do you need to put up here?
0.
Thank you.
Then 1, 2, 3, 4.
So then 25 divided by 100 is 4. So here you'll circle it and then you'll write 4. So our answer is 35.04 to the question, which is 8,765 divided by 25.